Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with TheChartGuys. It's Thursday, October 26th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold has still yet to establish a higher low. We still continue to have lower lows, low, lower low, lower low, and broke to a lower low again today. We need to break to a higher high, and we did have a bounce, but was unable to break this recent high of 1285.30, still holding lower highs and lower lows on the 4-hour chart. So we need to set a higher high on the 4-hour and then a higher low to show that gold has any sign of turning around. As far as the daily goes, this is highlighted and shown when you look at the daily candles. So we had this move down here, a consolidation, a little bit of bounce attempt, then further downside, new lower low, some consolidation, sideways, and then a new dump to lower lows. And if you look at the daily here on gold, we got all the way back up to that 20 MA on the daily and rejected with long wick and dumped on pretty decent volume today on the daily, as you can see. And if you look at the miners, what I'm looking at on the miners is this previous downtrend line on the weekly. We are back testing it right now, and it is holding. We'll see if that holds. We are losing the 20 MA weekly here with a TCG bear cross on the weekly. So we do have some more downside to the lower Bollinger Band here on the GDX. So we could go back and test this lower Bollinger Band again. And you can see that the Bollinger Bands are still pretty tight, are tightening here, still pretty tight. And you can see that on moves, the Bollinger Bands have really opened up to the up and down side. But you can see the tightness here. It looks like it could start opening up a bit here, but not clear which direction it's going to open up. We do have a bear MACD here on the weekly, so we could potentially see more downside to the lower Bollinger Band here, which is currently at 21. If I read that, 2111 on the bull miners. And if you look at the US dollar Japanese yen, this weekly chart, we had we did break above it and then closed slightly below it, but bulls were able to regain it last week right back above it. And the Bollinger Bands here are getting tight as well, but you can see that the upper Bollinger Band is starting to open up a bit here. TCG bull cross on the weekly, so could have some more upside here. In the shorter term, what you can watch for on a gold bounce attempt here on the hourly. On the hourly, we are getting to that oversold area where we've bounced a bit the last few times here at that 30 area. So you could see an oversold bounce attempt on gold, but again, these bounces have just been oversold bounces and further downside. So if you are looking for a trade, potentially just an oversold bounce play. And I would only day trade it at this point if you are looking for bullish positions until a higher high on that 4-hour is broken and a higher low is set on this 4-hour chart. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.